Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the camera not working issue or problem in the Google Chrome web browser. You can do that without any technical skills whatsoever, guys, rest assured. So let me guide you through this step by step, and now let us get started. So head over to Google Chrome, and basically, guys, what you will need to do is make slight changes in your browser settings, and you can do that with one click of your mouse. So what you want to do is access your browser settings first. To do that, click on these three dots in the top right here on your home tab and home screen and select settings. And here inside your browser settings, head over to privacy and security here on the left panel. After that, head over to site settings here at the bottom of your privacy and security settings. Scroll down a bit till you get to the permission section. And basically what you will need to do, guys, is give websites you access or view through Google Chrome the permission to use your plugged in or attached camera, like your webcam, for example. So to do that, simply click on camera here and make sure that you have this option here selected, this feature, as your default custom behavior. Default behavior, sites can ask to use your camera so that whenever you access, I don't know, for example, a video editing tool like Canva, they will have the opportunity to ask you for permission to access your camera so that you may use it on the given website. Also, guys, what you will need to do is make sure that your camera you're currently using is selected here at the top. So click on that arrow down icon and check if that's the case. If that's not the case, simply select it from that drop-down menu, like your webcam, for example. And here at the bottom of that list, you will see all websites you have already given the permission to use and access your camera, like, for example, the previously mentioned Canva video editor. And that's all to it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.